This is a demonstration of a task flow with Figma using prototypes. As you can see, you can access over here the app through the thumbnail, or we can either receive a message that we can access from notifications. This takes us to a chatbot. As you can see, we have options. We have a positive or negative feedback. Let's start with doing well. We get a GIF, and we get the rest of the messages. We can either go back, go home, or click, so it takes us to home. From here, another task flow I want to go over is the skill tree and the reward system. So from here, as you can see, we have a bunch of options with the thumbnails over here. We can also customize our experience by clicking Add Skill. Let's access one of the pages. So it takes us to dance, and then we have a progress bar over here. It tells us we have 2 more tasks until next level. Let's say we complete 2 tasks, 1 and 2, and then we can claim our reward. From here, we have a few options that we have preset from setting up this skill. We can access custom reward, a steak, ice cream, or cake. And then let's say we choose one of them, and then now your choice is logged in your history. Let's go back to home.